Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah, who is entirely merciful and specially merciful. So here I am today. I came here for practice English. So after coming here, I see the people are cutting land from the pond. It's a huge pond. They are digging the pond with the machine, and it's a engine, one kind of engine, and they are digging the pond properly. I think they will give some fishes here, and it's a huge pond you are watching. And also there are some ducks here. They are swimming. The dog is swimming behind the in the pond especially, and also the worker is working. They are cutting land. You are watching also here. So that's why I came here, just for practice English. And if I directly practice and talk with this kind of situation, and if I feel this kind of situation, I think I can say English properly. So it's very important for you. If you want to speak English fluently, you have to go the natural beauty, you have to go the outside, and also you have to practice English. You have to say English. If you say that, you will achieve your GR, and also you will be able to speak English fluently. Because if you have the dream, if you want to speak English fluently, so you have to face this kind of situation overall, I will say that. So that's why I came here, and after coming here I'm very glad, because I face the natural beauty also here, and it's very important for me. And also today it's a market day, although, but I thought that, yeah, if I go to outside and make video, it will be better for me, because I'll be able to speak English fluently, and also practice English, and besides, and it will be a great opportunity for me. So that's why I came here, and sometimes I come here and I practice as well. And it's a evergreen, I will say evergreen, and I try to capture myself overall every time. It's very important for me. When I started to learn English at the first time, I didn't speak just a single word, just a single sentence, and I was very worried that time. খুবই মানে দুঃখিত ছিলাম যখন প্রথম শুরু করছি, তখন ভালোভাবে কোনো শব্দ বলতে পারি নাই, তারপরে কোনো বাক্য বলতে পারি নাই। দ্যাট ওয়াজ দ্য মেইন প্রবলেম। বাট যখন আস্তে আস্তে শুরু করছি, যখন আস্তে আস্তে এরকম ভাবে ক্যামেরার সামনে কথা বলা শুরু করলাম, ভিডিও করা শুরু করলাম, so I was getting dear, I was getting burning desire to myself. And also এখন বলতে পারি, এখন যে কোনো সিচুয়েশনে কথা বলতে পারি কম বেশি। I'm not a perfect person, just I'm trying to improve my spoken English skills day by day. এটাই হবে, আপনি কখনো পারফেক্ট হতে পারবেন না, পারফেক্ট হয়ে কোনো কিছু করতে যেতে পারবেন না। সো আপনাকে করতে করতে কি করতে হবে, পারফেক্ট হতে হবে। সো করতে করতে পারফেক্ট হন। কেউ চিন্তা করবেন না যে আমি পারফেক্ট হব, আমি ইংরেজিতে কথা বলা শিখবো, তারপর ইংরেজিতে কথা বলবো। দ্যাট নট পসিবল ফর ইউ, নট পসিবল ফর এভরিওয়ান। আই থিঙ্ক দ্যাট দ্যাট ইজ মাই belief, and I think that, and if you work, and besides if you practice front of the camera and mirror, and within short time you'll be able to achieve your goals, and also you can speak English fluently. So my dear brothers and sisters, this was my just short video, short message. সো আপনি করতে করতে শিখুন, করে কোনো কিছু করতে পারবেন না। সো করতে করতে আপনাকে শিখতে হবে, করতে করতে আপনাকে পারফেক্ট হতে হবে। পারফেক্ট হয়ে কেউ কোনো কিছু করতে পারে না। So my dear brothers and sisters, if you think this video was very very helpful for you, and also if you find, yeah, this was the real natural beauty, so you can subscribe the YouTube channel, and also you can like the video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. I'll see you again this kind of video. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.